My handy dandy gas grill that's been here, I'm gonna guess like 86, 87. And I gotta relearn how to cook my steak. Look at that. I cleaned my grill today with my grill stone. I got my temperature gauge out here. I've done my crisscross. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't really like all that flame down there, but oh well. Alrighty. Cooking outdoors with the grill. Do not forget this guy. Oh, look, I painted today. Let me see what's going on over here. Oh, we do not want flameage. Flameage is bad. Move it over to that side of the grill. Let that grease burn off. I got some gorgeous meat. Picked up a ribeye bone-in at Clearwater Meats yesterday. We got there at like 4 minutes to 5, and they close at 5. But they're so nice. Some days even I can hardly believe I can still cook a mean steak.